everyone. I have exciting news for students, makers, and future engineers. SolidWorks just announced something big. Students can now get free access to SolidWorks Design Standard, the world's leading professional CAD platform. For students, this is more than just free software. It's an incredible opportunity to start building real industry-ready design skills using the same tools trusted by engineers, designers, and leading companies around the world. And here's where it even gets more exciting. As Emile Sommer, CEO of SolidCAM, shared, students can also download the free SolidCAM Maker version, seamlessly integrated inside SolidWorks. That means students can not only design their parts in SolidWorks, but they can also learn how to bring those designs to life with CNC manufacturing, leveraging SolidCAM's powerful CAM technology. This creates a complete CAD/CAM learning experience, from imagination to design and to manufacturing. So whether you're a student, a young engineer, a maker, or someone dreaming of building the next big idea, this is your chance to start learning the tools used by the industry. You can imagine it, design it, and machine it. Your future in design and manufacturing starts now with SolidWorks and SolidCAM. Download the free SolidWorks Design Standard for students from SolidWorks website and the free SolidCAM Maker version from the SolidCAM website, and start creating today. Good luck!